Have you been searching for the pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this Sierra 1500 SLT in Onyx Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 53,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start, power sunroof, spray-on bed liner, 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7764A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.